Actor Sanjay Dutt's lawyers have asked the Supreme Court to allow him 6 months' time before he is imprisoned. His case will be heard tomorrow. Dutt requested for the delay in carrying out his sentence, citing film commitments. According to reports, roughly 70 to 100 crores worth of film projects involving Dutt are currently in different stages of production. The 53-year-old actor has been sentenced to 3 years in jail for possessing illegal weapons in connection with the 1993 Mumbai serial blasts.
What I want to tell is that when I'm not going for a pardon, then there is no debate about it.
Sanjay Dutt going back on his word? Just 3 weeks ago, an emotional Dutt said he will surrender within the time set by the court. Today, his lawyers filed a petition in the Supreme Court saying he needs an extension, 5 more months to complete his pending films. Last month, the actor was sentenced to 5 years jail for illegal possession of weapons supplied by the mafia linked to the 1993 blast that killed 257 people.
After his conviction in the 1993 Bombay bomb blast case, Sanjay Dutt was given 4 weeks' time to surrender. In his petition to the Supreme Court, Sanjay Dutt has said, while he has not accepted any film offers after the verdict, he needs time to complete his pending films.
Bolstering Dutt's appeal, producers of his unfinished films.
उन्होंने जो अप्लाई किया है एक्सटेंशन के लिए हमारे प्रोड्यूसर्स के लिए ही किया है, क्योंकि हमारा पैसा उनके ऊपर राइड कर रहा है. अगर वो जेल जाते हैं तो वो मेरी फिल्म की शूटिंग नहीं खत्म कर पाएंगे. मैं ऐसा नहीं कर सकता कि आधी फिल्म मिस्टर संजय दत्त के साथ बनाई और आधी फिल्म किसी और के साथ बनाई. सी आई थिंक देयर व्हाट 7, 8, 9, 10 प्रोड्यूसर्स जिनके ऊपर जिनका पैसा है, तो 100-200 करोड़ तो मिनिमम एटलीस्ट होगा ही.
The time that he was supposed to spend with his family and his kids, he's spending that time in finishing his professional commitments. It is very difficult for a film to be completed in such a short span of time.
Ungli, Sher and Vasooli, the 3 main films sources say left for Dutt to shoot. Almost finished Police Giri and Zanjeer. Like Dutt, 3 other convicts too have appealed against going to jail. Zebunissa Qazi, Ishaq Mohammad and Sharif Abdul. Their petitions asking for time until the president can hear their plea for pardon, all citing crippling old age. Among them, Zebunissa Qazi, sentenced to 5 years in jail for keeping some of the illegal weapons that Sanjay Dutt rejected. She says she's a 70-year-old widow battling cancer and won't survive in jail. Meanwhile, Dutt's lawyers appealed that he be allowed to surrender directly to jail instead of the court, perhaps to avoid embarrassment. The special Tada court rejected the appeal. With Vaidyanathan in Delhi and Rashmi Rajput in Mumbai, Miloni Bhatt for NDTV.